good morning. It's 10 o'clock and I gotta open up the windows. We can have a bright living room. Oh, don't mind the freaking airbed. We were sleeping in the living room because it was hot in our room. Okay, there it goes. A little bit more light, right? Yeah, he was crying all morning for no reason. Blood kiss. Blood kiss. Good job. I might go shopping later because we need to go get some water and something else, but I can't recall what I needed. Water, oh, and rice. That's what it is. So I'm gonna cook up some breakfast for me and Draco really quick, and then probably wait until Matt responds to me, go shopping for the day, and get Leona. Hopefully we can have a productive day today. And I just finished my interview, so hopefully I get this job. If not, I'm okay with it. That interview was kind of hard. I haven't interviewed for a job in like, it's been a year now. I have to like click everything right back into my head, make sure I sound professional, make sure I'm using the correct words. But you know, honestly, every time I interview I just talk like how I talk, but with less attitude and with more of like a nicer tone or like a friendlier tone. But yeah, I don't use no professional words because a girl ain't that smart. I think I bombed the interview, but hopefully I did good. Hopefully I move on to the next stage or whatever. But yeah, wish me luck, you guys. Wish me luck.
That's the sustainability solution IBM.
This is what I cooked for breakfast. Shit. He's just gonna eat my plate, I guess. No, bye. Bye. Swimming today at my mom's house. My two artists. Uh-oh, mommy will pick it up. What are you drawing?
I'm drawing human.
Human? Cool, let's see what you got so far. She made a cross. Oh yes, this one. Wow, look at her. She knows how to blend colors. So good. Finally let her use her painting kit. And she's enjoying it. Say hi. Hi, Maxie. Come on. Come on.
Mom, can you do monkey bars?
No. You can.
Mom can't.
You can.
Mom can't.
Yes, you can.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Put in.
That bird over here?
Yep.
It's because they always take your food.
FaceTime at the beach. Go, touch it. Touch it. Woo. Yeah, you like it? Touch the water. Touch water. Way to go. Come on. Come on.